and then
पे ऐसे से कुछ कर देना.
I'll dance around. हाँ यही करेंगे. काली काली आँखें. I keep going back to मुकद्दर का सिकंदर. I don't know why that happens, but okay.
Because it is the most बच्चन film ever. Hi, I'm Akshay.
Hi, this is Amrita.
Hi, this is Anusha and welcome to the great filmy Tamasha.
Today's episode is a very special tribute to the one and only Amitabh Bachchan. As we all know, 11th October. Yes, whoa! 11th October is his birthday. So today's episode is dedicated to him. And we are discussing the most Bachchan movie ever.
The most Bachchan movie ever.
So my choice for this episode is Mukaddar Ka Sikandar.
My choice for this episode is undoubtedly the film where it all began, Zanjeer.
My choice for this episode is Satte Pe Satta.
So Amitabh Bachchan is not just an actor, not just a star, not just a superstar. He's a legend. And you know, during the peak of his stardom, that time was almost mythical. No actor has ever achieved that kind of fame and that kind of adulation. Right in the prime of his stardom, in 1978 came Mukaddar Ka Sikandar, directed by Prakash Mehra, which is my choice for this episode. In this movie, Amitabh Bachchan tackles on the legendary character of Devdas, a modernized Devdas in Prakash Mehra's universe. एक तो पहली ये combination deadly है, legendary actor, iconic character, and what happens is a complete masala entertainer where you see Amitabh Bachchan tackle bad guys, you see him sing songs, see him romance women, see him be the best friend, do his trademark drunk comedy, lose the girl and die tragically in the end. Anything and everything that Amitabh Bachchan can do is there in this film. He has never looked so good in his life. He has never been so charismatic in his life. He's at the top of his form. Hey, speak in your time. He's at the top of his form in each and every department. In any kind of scenes, be it the action scenes, the comedy scenes, the long tragic monologues, or even lip syncing to songs, which are like, you know, really heartbreaking songs. But he is there. If you remember the film, most of them are long shots only on his face, and not even for a minute is he out of character. He does not lose the audience throughout the 3 hours plus 9 minutes runtime of this epic movie.
I know.
Now this film, has everything Bachchan in it. Okay, all his most famous things ever. It has a super hit partnership with Prakash Mehra, super hit bromance jodi with Vinod Khanna, super hit romance jodi with Rekha, super hit rivalry with Amjad Khan. Master Mayur, who is famous in his life only for playing Amitabh Bachchan's junior Amitabh Bachchan, started with this film. Frequent collaboration with Ram Sethi, who has been his comic sidekick in God knows over 10-12 films. So every Bachchan element that you can imagine is there in Mukaddar Ka Sikandar. The music of the film is phenomenal, it's timeless. Even today, you hear Salaam Ishq Meri Jaan aur rote hue aate hain sab, they still hold good. Lovely music. And finally, I have to mention, this movie has the most epic title ever out of any Bachchan movie or any movie. Mukaddar Ka Sikandar. It doesn't get bigger than this. And no superstar has ever deserved a title more befitting than Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. And that is why this is the most Bachchan film ever. Boom!
Okay, so well done about Mukaddar Ka Sikandar, but Zanjeer is the OG Bachchan film which established the whole angry young man persona. So for Amitabh Bachchan and for us who are 80 fans, it all began with Zanjeer. उससे पहले उन्होंने 18 फिल्में की थी जो सारी फ्लॉप थी except for Anand, in which he played the supporting role of the supporting to Rajesh Khanna. Right, so Zanjeer was where it all began. The whole angry young man persona was crafted there, which then went on to become the basis of so many hits. Right, and the great thing about Zanjeer is that late 60s and 70s was Rajesh Khanna ka era. So it was the era of romantic films, romantic dramas.
Yeah.
Okay, and Zanjeer came and it then created this whole genre of action films that which Amitabh Bachchan slayed. Right, so it was a turning point in so many ways. So the next great thing about Zanjeer is that it created, like, for one film, it has created so many icons. Like, although Vijay Khanna, Bachchan, the angry young man is what we remember Zanjeer mostly for. Sher Khan is like the best friend in Hindi film industry ever. He was literally the fairy godmother of Zanjeer. Okay, then there is Mona Darling is again somebody who's been imitated and caricaturized so much and and for a film of just 2 hours and 20 minutes, unlike Muqaddar Ka Sikandar, this film has created so many icons for that 2-hour run time. That has become a staple in daily life. अगर तुम अंताक्षरी खेल रहे हो या आया है तो सबसे पहले जो गाना दिमाग में आएगा वो होगा यारी है ईमान मेरा यार
नहीं यारी रे
at least it will be in the top 3 year के गाने, otherwise exhaust हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. And there is this thing, very interesting thing which I was reading about Zanjeer, then an article. Zanjeer was the film that started the whole biography genre of films, जिसमें हीरो जो है वो बचपन से लेके उसके बुढ़ापे तक का सब कुछ दिखाया जाता है. पहले films were about these romance, revenge, whatever was these fractured elements in a hero's life, in a protagonist's life. Zanjeer was where it started, the whole biographical journey of a hero's life, a hero's journey, so to say. And all later films, like Muqaddar Ka Sikandar, have kind of built up from there. So that's another great, interesting thing about this. Also, 70s was the era of formula films, right? Manmohan Desai and Prakash Mehra were the people who formulated, who crafted the formula, and Zanjeer was where Prakash Mehra created his formula of massy, high action entertainers. Right, so Zanjeer is a film of so many firsts. We would not have had the legend that Amitabh Bachchan is without this movie. We would not have all the other legendary movies that we're talking about today without this film. So, the most Bachchan film ever, Zanjeer.
Satte Pe Satta, one of the most iconic classic films in Bollywood. The film has the right dose of humor, music and action. Okay? And since we're talking about most Bachchan films ever, we have 2 Bachchans in it. Come on. 2 Bachchans actually playing 3 shades of roles. One is the elder brother role, one is the doting husband's role, and one in which he's playing grey character. Yes, lens and hair included. Okay, as a brother, he's bossy, controlling, but he's also extremely loving. वो दिखता है scenes पे. The scene with Sachin where he says कि मेरे क्या नाम था उसका? Shit, I just heard. Okay, मेरे सनी को कुछ मत करो. Okay, शनी को कुछ मत करो. And as a husband, he's a very progressive husband. He's never putting any limitation of what she wants to do in life, how she wants to live, what kind of dress she wants to wear. He's a very understanding, ideal husband. And as a villain, still the charisma of Amitabh Bachchan is such that in spite of being a villain, you somehow get sympathy from your audience. तुम देख रहे हो विलन है, फिर भी your heart reaches out to him कि यार कुछ तो हुआ होगा, इसीलिए मतलब ऐसा होगा. And in the end, he does become a good guy. So it is double the Amitabh Bachchan fun, and so many characters he's playing, which is beautiful to see. And let's talk about an iconic scene in the film. That is his drunken scene with Amjad Khan. शराब पीने से liver खराब होती है. Okay, of course, you talk about Amitabh Bachchan, you should have an iconic drunk scene, and this is one of the major drunk scenes in his career. People still remember it, people still talk about it, and people still imitate when they are themselves drunk. And music. Again, let's talk about Kishore Kumar, Amitabh Bachchan, Deadly Duo. There are so many songs in the film. I'm going to talk about 2 songs, which is my personal favorite. One is Dilbar Mere, which brings out the romantic side of Mr. Bachchan. He's done amazingly well, looks dashing, very smoothly flowing song. And Pyar Hame Kis Mood Pe Le Aaya. Again, capturing on the chemistry between brothers, very conversational kind of a song, establishing a different kind of genre. The song is amazing, and Mr. Bachchan has made it more amazing. So overall, about this film, I can say it's a light-hearted film. You can watch any number of times. You will come back home singing, happy, with a very, satisfied state of mind. And all this is possible just because of Mr. Bachchan. actors, but mainly because of Mr. Bachchan. That's Satya Pe Satya.
Okay.
Bring it on.
Okay. Okay. My biggest reason why Muqaddar Ka Sikandar is not the biggest Bachchan film, most Bachchan film ever, is सबसे पहली बात तो the film has so many people. There is enough time for Bachchan to be Bachchan. Like you yourself mentioned, there is a parallel lead in Vinod Khanna, and the entire storyline that then happens. Vinod Khanna's romance with Rakhi is so time consuming. There's Rakhi, there's Rekha, there's Amjad Khan, there's Ranjit, there's Nirupa Roy, there's Kader Khan, there is Ram Sethi. I'm sorry if I'm butchering his name. Ram Sethi, right? That's Pyare Lal. Who has Pyare Lal? Exactly. Who has a significant role? All these people have significant roles, meaning there is not enough Bachchan in the film. Not to mention the fact कि बच्चन का childhood only ends at 25 minutes. तो पहले 25 मिनट तो अमिताभ बच्चन है ही नहीं पिक्चर में, उसके बाद आते हैं, ठीक है? Even when he is there, like Amitabh Bachchan, he has given us so much, so many different types of characters, and we all love him so much. But the persona that he will always be known by, the words that most often follow the legend, is angry young man. In this movie, he's a depressed young man. You know, because you rightly said it's Devdas. So there's just not enough Bachchan in this film, and the Bachchan that is there is just not as good or as great as he is in Zanjeer or even in Satya Pe Satya for that matter. So yeah,
Okay.
that's my first
Okay.
thing.
So first tackling that, when you say there's so many other characters in the film, would you like to see Amitabh Bachchan alone in a film?
No,
People need a
but not
universe
so
around
many.
them.
No.
People
Alone
need a
there is a
universe.
line.
Wait, I'm supporting and I'm defending my film. You need
Yeah.
a universe around him for there to be a story, for it to be organic. You cannot just have one person and nothing around him. You cannot just have one hero, one villain, and nothing else. Everything else plays into Sikandar's character. Yes, Master Mayur is there for first 25 minutes of the film. Granted कि 25 मिनट तक अमिताभ बच्चन नहीं है, लेकिन ये पिक्चर 3 घंटे 9 मिनट की है.
Yeah,
उसके
I know.
बावजूद अमिताभ बच्चन 2 hours 49 minutes के लिए अमिताभ बच्चन is there, 2 hours 44 minutes के लिए, which is ample amount of time. Yes, there is a supporting lead, not parallel lead, supporting lead in Vinod Khanna, but that also plays into Amitabh Bachchan's emotions. You are saying that he is not angry in this film at all. That's not true actually. Because all his action sequences towards anybody who is smuggling in the film, they're all part of his angry young man persona. He is taking on bad guys.
No.
You are thinking that angry young man has to be only against the system, but he's angry young man against the class
What
divide.
is he
against
angry
the class
about?
divide. He's angry about being poor. He's angry about being, about not being able to live the kind of life, about being accused to be a thief. All those things.
Okay.
Yes, he is very sad because it is a version of Devdas after all. But there are so many more personas in this film than any other film. You
Okay.
have him angry, you have him sad, you have him as a lover, you have him as a friend, you have him as a brother, you have him in every possible emotion a human being can live through.
Okay, so that leads on to
Okay.
my next point. That
Wait,
every
wait,
I just have one more.
I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please
I'm
go
going
on,
to
please go on. Sorry,
continue
sir.
with hers only. I have the same problem. See, the premise of this films involves a lot of things. There's a lot happening in a film. Like when you start the film and end the film, it feels like पता नहीं एक साल ही गुजर गया. ऐसा लगता है. ठीक है, but that is ठीक है. Let's take it that way. But there is a part of film जब आप देख रहे हो तो आप मतलब okay, I'll talk about myself here. When I was watching it, there's a part where Vinod Khanna comes into picture and he's trying to make a girl escape from her wedding and all.
Yeah.
It's very long, and in that moment, I actually forgot I'm watching a Bachchan film. No, it shouldn't happen
Okay, so
when you're watching a
I
Bachchan
understand.
film. Because there's so much happening. See, we're talking about film as whole, right? The most Bachchan film ever. So you cannot have a part where an audience feel कि अरे ये तो अमिताभ बच्चन फिल्म है, मैं तो भूल ही गया.
Okay, so now here's the thing. First, I'll tell you the two things. There are two answers to this. First is that you have to understand ये आज की film नहीं है. This has been made in 1978. So their sensibilities as to what a film's length should be and what should be in a film is very different from today. The fact that this film is the all-time biggest Diwali blockbuster from this country probably cements that it worked at that point of time. Now, second, why is it so important to establish Vinod Khanna and given those sequences so that you can understand why Rakhi is falling in love with him? Despite Amitabh, it is very difficult for anyone to understand कि अमिताभ बच्चन सामने खड़ा है और तुमको से प्यार नहीं हो रहा है.
Not really.
Because
She
they
never
had to
loved
create
him.
the parallel
She
over
hated
it.
him.
She never loved him. So to
So there was
create a
no need
parallel
to
where she
establish
loved
that.
him, that's why they had to establish Vinod Khanna that okay, this is the kind of person she loves. That's why
Okay.
all that was there.
No, so that's my
ठीक है,
problem.
it's a
You
cinematic
said कि-
choice they made as an audience. took the
Yeah, it was probably not
effect
the right
away
choice.
from being a Bachchan film.
Yeah. Also, you said कि उस टाइम पे ऐसी फिल्में बनती थी. ये 78 की फिल्म है. जंजीर 71 की फिल्म है. Now whatever और 73 की प्रॉब्लम है और फिल्म प्रॉब्लम है और 70 पे 70 जो है वो 81 की फिल्म है. Right? 81 की फिल्म है. This film is comfortably placed between the two. Now तुम बाकी फिल्म को देखो 70 पे 70 मल्टी स्टारर है और जंजीर जो है वो क्लियरली बच्चन फिल्म है. Right? But इसकी प्रॉब्लम जो है मुकद्दर का सिकंदर की जो प्रॉब्लम है the misutilization of its star cast. It's such a fractured story. So many subplots going, most of them unnecessary. Rakhi, like you mentioned about having Vinod Khanna's arc established. Rakhi already hated Amitabh Bachchan. She was not going to fall for him. That subplot did not need that much time. Amjad Khan's
That is for
obsession
the
with
audience.
Rekha.
That is for the audience. That is for the audience. to
We
understand,
are
not for
audiences.
Rakhi.
That was not needed.
Yeah.
Amjad Khan's subplot of obsession with Rekha not needed. In the end, where he suddenly realizes, oh, मैंने कितनी गलती कर दी. वो
You need a
multiple
formidable
shadow
villain to
kidnapping.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah. Which Amjad Khan would have been, क्या कहते हैं? Which you already had Ranjit. You have two villains in this movie. So the problem with this film is you have two of everything. Two love stories, two heroes, two villains. Why? Not needed. I want to see him.
Why? Because that's the most Bachchan film ever.
Again,
What
I know.
Bachchan
Zanjeer definitely established the whole genre, angry young man, right? But there is more to Mr. Bachchan than just that, which we have discovered over a period of time. You know, he is amazing. He has amazing comic timing. He's got amazing romantic hero image, and none of this is actually really shown in Zanjeer.
Yeah.
He is a
Yeah.
brooding police officer who is angry with the system, is all we get to see in Zanjeer. It established angry young man genre. But where is the romantic Amitabh Bachchan we know? Where is the Amitabh Bachchan with impeccable sense of humor which we know? It should be
Yeah.
wholesome to be the most Bachchan film ever, and that I do not see in Zanjeer.
I agree with you.
Okay,
Completely.
so that question complete?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
I'll answer it. Okay, I'll answer it. So first of all, like I said, okay, Zanjeer is a genre-defining film. It is an action film, right? So of course he's the angry young man there. Unlike मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, it's not a confused film कि वो comic भी है, angry भी है, ये भी है, वो भी है, सब कुछ है.
It's not a
उसकी जरूरत
confused
नहीं.
Listen,
वो सब होने की जरूरत
human
नहीं
beings
है.
cannot be monotonous. Human
My
beings
point.
cannot be monotonous.
You can talk to
Yeah, but
talk
you
about your
brought my
film.
film into it. You brought my
Yeah,
film
but
into
it is true. It is, and there are
you-
genre-specific films are just that.
You're jumping into
Genres-
the blame game.
Genre-specific films are just that. Genre-specific films are genre-specific films. Action films are action films. Romantic films are romantic films. Comedy films are comedy films. Right? Even in Satya Pe Satta, there is a different Bachchan to do action. The same Bachchan is not doing everything. Okay, so
But we are
Katha Ka
talking-
Sikandar mein ek hi Bachchan. Which is why, and of course, the love story is there, the romance is there, but it's very, very subtle. In fact, when you bring in the romance, it actually has the best love story of all the three, because it is so unique
Don't
for
agree.
that time.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, actually
Muqaddar-
it is unique. It is unique. You're right.
It is unique, but not the best.
मुकद्दर की सिकंदर की लव स्टोरी की तो मैं बात ही नहीं करूंगी because it's all over the place. It's unfulfilled. It's not even like I don't know what to say about it. सत्य पे सत्ता का love story I like. It is a great love story. However, इसका जंजीर का love story is even better because this time this is a cop who is falling in love with a girl whom he met on the streets, and he falls in love with her because of how gutsy she is, how bold she is. In 70s, living on the streets, sharpening people's knives. He first meets her when she is literally beating somebody up for being indecent with her. The next time she enters his life, again not a separate plot for romance, but she enters her life because she's a witness in one of his cases where she's paid off money and she refuses those wounds. And this is how she enters her life. The love story in Zanjeer is so subtly woven that you may think there is no romance in there, but it is, and it is very strong.
No,
and very
there is.
beautiful and
I'm
very
not
powerful.
telling no.
Right,
But
it's
since
not
we
that.
are
The thing is, it's a very monotonous film. Even for you're right, it's an action film. You're absolutely right.
It is an action film.
genre film. I agree. It's a very good action film. It's not a very good Bachchan film because it does not showcase Bachchan in all his glory, in all
Exactly.
his
It does not
charisma,
need
in everything
to.
that
It does not
but
need to.
You're right. It does not need.
It
to.
does not
It does
need
not
to.
need to,
So
but
it's
we
a
are
great
betting
action film,
on
but
the
it's-
best Bachchan movie ever. It did not need to. There are so many films
It
which
doesn't-
doesn't need to
See,
showcase
you guys
it.
are assuming
Or
when
much.
you, you guys are assuming when you say the most Bachchan film that it has to be all shades of Bachchan, but that is not the case,
No, so
right? Because
we are taking our own
we are-
personal meanings out of it. I'm assuming. I mean,
No, we are not assuming. We are just
I mean-
telling why
well, if that
this
is
is
the
most
case, then
Bachchan.
if that is the case, then my assumption assumption of this is the most Bachchan, Ranjit is the most Bachchan film is also valid. You know, if we are making our own assumptions,
Yeah,
my
sure,
assumption
sure.
it is, right? So, for my reason that all the rest of your films would not exist if this had not happened, the fact that this is a very genre-specific film, it never claimed to be a romantic or a comedy film. It was very front and foremost an action anti-hero based film.
You are
is what it was.
absolutely right,
So,
and
yeah.
the credit for that goes to Salim Javed for writing.
Which is
such a
fine.
film. It is
Which
not
is fine.
Amitabh Bachchan's credit.
Everything,
no,
every
It is
film,
around
for
a
every
lot. It is not
No, no.
about Amitabh Bachchan.
No,
In
no,
fact,
Kannada
even the
se
most
Kannada-
memorable character around in your film is actually Pran.
No.
Even the best song is with
The
Pran.
film is so
Even
film
you
is so
mentioned that the
iconic.
most iconic character is Pran.
No, I
With,
mentioned that such an iconic film that all characters became iconic is what I mentioned. If you say this film is solely credit to Salim Javed, then your film is solely credit to Kader Khan, and Satya Pe Satta is sole credit to whoever wrote
No,
that
I-
film. Writers always have their credit, and credit
See,
should be
okay,
given where credit
to
is
cut
due.
it
But that
short-
is not the case with Zanjeer.
So I'm not telling the film has to have everything. It's just because when we are talking about an actor and what he can offer as an actor, Zanjeer doesn't offer what all he can offer. We have most of the other films which does that.
Let's see
Is
what
what I'm
Zanjeer
trying to say.
did offer. Let's see
No,
what
I
Zanjeer
see what
did offer.
Zanjeer does offer.
Yeah.
But I think it is only one aspect of him. I think there's so much more.
Which
to
was
Bachchan.
the aspect that nobody had seen till then, is what you're forgetting. Nobody had seen that
There's always
aspect
a
till
first
then.
film, yaar.
Yeah, of
exactly.
course, which is
Prakash
what-
Mehra saw it. And Prakash
agree.
Mehra saw it, so great,
Agree.
great. I mean, kudos to him.
Agree, which
Okay,
is what
Akshay, do
makes
you
this
have
such
any
a special
point?
film. I agree with you, and that is,
No, I
and
mean,
you're speaking in my favor. So thank you for that.
Yeah, I am speaking in your favor. I'm telling you, you're right. You're right when you say that it's an action over specific film.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, that is what is limiting about Zanjeer to be the most Bachchan film ever. I
I
think it
think being
limits your choice.
specific makes you better. I think being here, what is happening is that it is a master of its genre, and I think that is good.
I honestly don't even think it's the best action film of that time. I
Of
think it is.
that time, yes, it
anyway,
is.
But,
Of
but,
that
but,
time, yes,
but,
it
let's
is.
not,
Usse
let's
wale
not ask.
We'll ask
Usse
audience
wale
later
that
to
is-
vote.
that is
We'll ask
not-
audience what they feel.
Satya Pe Satta! I love this film.
Of course you
it's a
do.
great film.
Who doesn't?
But,
Everyone does.
But the same problem which you took out with Zanjeer is the problem which exists with your film. It shows Amitabh Bachchan in again very limited shades. He is only the masti wala Amitabh Bachchan, and there's of course the villain Amitabh Bachchan who 10 minutes बाद वापस goes into the masti wala zone. You know, it is a great film in its genre. But again, it's very limiting of how wide and how many things Amitabh Bachchan
I
as an
told
artist
you in
can
my
offer the
introduction
audience.
as
I
this
know, I
one,
heard you. but
he's playing.
You are stating his relation to different people.
No,
If
that
those
changes
people
his
have some
personality also, right? Like he is being a strict disciplinarian, he is vulnerable, he is doing comedy, he is being romantic, he is fighting the gunda in the last scene. I'm not talking about Babu here, I'm just talking about
Yeah.
Ravi only till now. And of course, Babu is bringing in the negative streak, which
Yeah.
is a different person, I agree. But as Ravi, there's so many shades in this character, I don't think it's monotonous. But yeah.
I would club that as happy-go-lucky.
Happy-go-lucky, again very defensive, very protective of his family. He's a masti-khor in general, but he's also a responsible elder brother, a very loving, caring husband, a very can fight for his family when he needs to. Is what I took out of that.
Okay.
Okay, so actually my
yes.
point is similar to Akshay's point, but coming to that from a different way. See, the thing is Satya Pe Satta, and it's a great film, and I think अगर हम बच्चन की top comedies की बात करें तो Satya Pe Satta would definitely be one of the tops, right? But the thing
Chupke would be the top.
yeah, that's why I
Again,
said one of
Bachchan.
them. Okay.
It is more of
Okay.
Dharmendra and Genius G Judge's film.
That's okay. It's still a terrific film. But okay. But the thing about the Satya Pe Satta is because it's such a multi-starrer, because there's so many people and nobody is overlooked. Everybody has got the chance. It's just the nature of the film that there is not enough Bachchan, even with two of them in it. You know, it's just the nature. There's so much Hema Malini. There's so much of the boys. There's so much of the girls, and there's so much of that love story, Amjad Khan and all that. That there isn't
But
enough
I
Bachchan
think
for it
this
to be the most Bachchan
movie,
film.
in spite of being multi-starrer, if you see, Bachchan has got maximum screen time. Of course, double role bhi hai.
It
But
does, it
I
does. He
think
has-
I think it has been divided really well over a period of
I think so
2
too.
hours,
I
50
think so
minutes
too.
also. If you see, of course, good that everybody has their own character. It is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
like present
That's a
in
great
film
thing.
where only one is ruling the screen. But I
Yeah.
think the Bachchan elements are on point here. Like he has
Yes,
got
they
a
are,
lot of screen
absolutely.
space with very good impact on audience. So I don't think कि multi-starrer में वो खो गए.
No, I agree with you. It is a very
No.
well balanced film. Everybody's got. But when we talk about the most Bachchan film, right? Then the
Yeah.
Bachchan, even though he has the most screen time of the lot, as he should have, a double role and everything. But I don't think it then qualifies him as the most Bachchan film. There is Dawn, there is Trishul, there is Diwar. There's so many films which would have qualified better than
he
this.
said it can't be just him. There will be a supporting
There will
cast.
be a universe.
There will be
There
a
will be a
universe in
and
which
Satyam Satta, the universe is great.
yeah, I
unlike
just feel
Mukaddar
in
Sikandar
this
though.
universe, as opposed to Mukaddar Sikandar, because it is the same point being raised,
Yeah.
as opposed to Mukaddar Ka Sikandar, Amitabh's impact is proper, like it is well established throughout the film, even
Okay,
in
I do
spite
not
of it
agree
being.
with. I may not agree with that, but I think we'll move on from this point because I've made
Yeah.
it and you've defended it. Okay, so you guys say that when we talk, Bachchan has had so many shades. It's the comic timing. As comic timing, he's one of the best actors we've ever had. Brilliant comic timing and all. But despite whatever we may say, Amitabh Bachchan will always be, the three words that follow him will always be angry young man. Everybody has had different adjectives, but nobody has had this kind of a moniker associated with their name the way he has. So that those three words mean something. Right, and those three words, I don't think like Satya Pe Satta is a good enough representation of it to be the most Bachchan film. I think for the most Bachchan film, I think the angry young man needs to be taken into account. So that would be my second criticism against it, which is also because it is a fucking great film. So be about that. So there is
No, I'm not even.
yeah.
I
That's
agree
that.
with you that the angry young man thing is not there. Which is
Yeah.
that's what we said in the initial thing. Ki Satya Pe Satta is also in a sense is giving two shades to Amitabh Bachchan. Comedy Bachchan, villain Bachchan जो बाद में good हो जाएगा. But
Yeah.
a lot of his other traits are not there. But
And
that
also
is
you
missing
kind
in
of
your
already
film
know,
also.
you kind of know that the villainous Bachchan वो जब आ गया उस fold में he will become better, so the element of surprise is
No,
kind of
no,
not
you don't
there,
know that.
which is
Why?
fine because at least I did. But the thing is that it was comedy which reeled us in, and the comedy is
also the
great.
villain Bachchan is villain Bachchan literally for 10 minutes because the moment he sees the family.
He's just villain
Okay,
Bachchan
my
for 10
second
minutes.
Bachchan also fell.
I'll help
Just
you
wait
with it.
for
Please
you to
do
finish.
not humiliate the frame. Okay, coming back to
Okay,
it.
yeah.
Okay, so we are looking at the Bachchan-ness in the film in a different way. You think the thing which made him famous is those three words, angry. I mean, made him famous, nahi, made him...
Gave him a persona. Give us a
yeah,
persona.
it's like a tagline, like all South Indian actors have a tagline, like angry young man, is what is the most Bachchan thing about him. And we think that, it's there's so many other things which is amazingly well done. Like an all-round Bachchan film should have all facets of him, is what we think.
No, I
So
also
we'll
think that
let the audience
in
decide.
the angry young man genre also, I don't think Zanjeer is the best angry young man film also. I actually like because there's Diwar, there's Kala Patthar, there's Trishul like you mentioned.
Are you talking
Yes, Zanjeer is the
about
first.
against
No, I'm
Satya Pe
not
Satta?
talking about the
Against-
angry young man persona.
No, we are talking about angry young man persona.
Yeah,
So,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
We'd like to know about special mentions, like what almost
Yeah,
made it.
yeah.
Okay, so my very first top of the list would always be Sholay. It will always be Sholay. Also, there is Diwar, there is Trishul, there is Dawn, and there is Shakti. There's also Namak Halal.
Dawn, I like Sharabi,
Yeah.
I like
Ah.
Abhiman. I think, yeah.
I wanted to take Agnipath.
Why
Agnipath
didn't
was the
you take
top
it?
of my list.
Guys, you saw us debate about Satya Pe Satta, Mukaddar Ka Sikandar and Zanjeer. We told you what we think about it. We want you to tell us which is the most Bachchan film ever, according to you. So please let us know in the comments because our discussions led nowhere and we would really want to know who won this
Yeah.
episode, this particular episode. So please comment and let us know.
If not for us, please do it for Mr. Bachchan. Stop being so lazy. And please like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Otherwise, I'll come haunt your dreams. Yeah.
You wouldn't want. अमृता कम ही सब्सक्राइबर है यार जैसे तुमने बोला क्यों डरा रही हो लोगों को